From forgotten fragments to radiant new life, the transformation of broken furniture into unexpected home decor represents one of the most profound and inspiring creative revolutions unfolding in modern interior design, proving that beauty, craftsmanship, and innovation often begin in the places others abandon. When a leg snaps off a chair, when a table surface cracks, when an old dresser drawer no longer slides, most people see waste, inconvenience, or something to be replaced. Yet artists, makers, and sustainability-driven homeowners are learning to see possibility in these discarded remains. The journey from broken furniture to brilliance is not just about repair. It is about reinvention, about giving objects a second chance to contribute to the spaces we live in, and about cultivating a mindset that values imagination over replacement and renewal over disposal. Instead of being thrown into landfills, these flawed pieces become raw material for creative exploration, offering unique forms, textures, and histories that mass-produced decor can never replicate. A broken table leg becomes a sculptural lampstand. A cracked wardrobe door becomes a rustic wall hanging. A damaged chair frame becomes the starting point for a whimsical side table or display shelf. Each piece is born again with fresh purpose, enriched by the marks of its past life, and given a new role in a home where functionality blends with storytelling. This transformation movement has blossomed at a time when society is increasingly aware of the environmental cost of disposable living. With so many manufactured products designed for short-term use, the act of repurposing broken furniture becomes a form of resistance against planned obsolescence and excessive consumerism. Instead of choosing the convenience of buying something new, individuals are embracing the deeper rewards of creating something meaningful from what has already served them. The environmental impact is significant. Fewer trees cut, fewer resources consumed, fewer objects added to the swelling piles of global waste. Turning a broken piece into decor is not just a personal artistic expression. It is a quiet but powerful contribution to a more sustainable world. But while sustainability is at the heart of this movement, the aesthetic transformation is equally compelling. Broken furniture contains natural shapes, angles, joint structures, and weathered textures that no new store-bought decor can mimic. The remnants of a chair back might hold curved spindles perfect for a farmhouse-style coat rack, while the carved foot of an antique table might become the focal point of a statement candle holder. These fragments carry emotional resonance, evidence of a life lived, memories formed, and time endured, making the resulting decor pieces not just attractive but meaningful, embodying a narrative that grows richer with every transformation. Moreover, working with broken furniture invites a level of creativity rarely found in off-the-shelf solutions. When starting with a flawed piece, makers must observe, imagine, and problem-solve in ways that elevate both their skills and their appreciation for craftsmanship. Each fragment poses a question. What can it become? What shape does it suggest? How can an imperfection transform into a design advantage? A cracked tabletop might lead to a mosaic-style surface that becomes the main visual highlight of a rebuilt table. A dresser drawer missing its bottom might be lined with fabric or wood panels, turned upright, and mounted on a wall as a shadow box or decorative cubby. The limitations of the material stimulate new, inventive solutions, making the final products far more personal and visually compelling than anything mass-produced. This process also brings creators into closer relationship with their materials. They learn to sand smooth old varnish, to reinforce weak joints, to restain aging surfaces, or to strategically highlight weathered textures instead of hiding them. In doing so, they achieve what great design often strives for: a perfect balance between practicality, artistry, and emotional depth. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. The decor that emerges from this creative process also begins to shift the atmosphere of a home, infusing it with warmth, soul, and individuality. Spaces designed with upcycled broken furniture tell a story, one of resilience, imagination, and mindful living. These items stand apart from machine-perfect furnishings, celebrating the beauty of irregular lines, hand-touched textures, and natural imperfection. A repurposed furniture fragment placed in a living room becomes a conversation piece, a window into the homeowner's values and creativity. Guests may admire a lamp crafted from salvaged table legs or a shelf built from reclaimed headboard panels, and upon learning its origins, admiration deepens into appreciation not just for the object, but for the idea it represents. Homes that incorporate such decor feel grounded, thoughtful, and full of lived character. Every piece chosen has intention, and every detail symbolizes the merging of past and present. In a world where mass-produced decor often looks identical from home to home, these pieces offer a sense of identity and emotional authenticity that resonates deeply with those who seek personal expression in their living spaces. The movement from broken furniture to beautiful decor also empowers individuals who may not have traditional design backgrounds. With access to simple tools, online tutorials, and the encouragement of creative communities, anyone can begin exploring the hidden potential of discarded furniture. This democratization of craft is one of the most exciting outcomes of the upcycling trend. People from all walks of life, from seasoned woodworkers to apartment renters working in small spaces, can participate, learn, and build confidence. A beginner sanding down a damaged chair may discover a passion for woodworking. A homeowner painting and distressing an old cabinet door may unlock a new hobby or supplemental income. What begins as a practical project, saving money or avoiding waste, often evolves into a source of joy, personal expression, and accomplishment. Many makers even turn their passions into small businesses, selling their upcycled creations online, at local markets, or through social media platforms where handmade, sustainable goods are increasingly valued. These business ventures thrive not just because the products are beautiful, but because consumers today crave authenticity, story, and purpose in what they bring into their homes. A handcrafted decor piece made from reclaimed furniture has a soul that factory-made goods cannot imitate. But perhaps the most profound significance of transforming broken furniture lies in the mindset it nurtures. It teaches us to look at the world with eyes that seek possibility rather than disposal. Instead of seeing damage as the end, we begin seeing it as the beginning, a prompt to ask, what else could this become? This shift extends far beyond furniture. It encourages people to embrace the idea that renewal is possible in many aspects of life. That flaws do not have to be hidden, that imperfection holds beauty, and that the old can become extraordinary when treated with care, creativity, and intention. A broken chair seat becomes a reminder that something once useful can become something newly meaningful. A salvaged drawer turned into wall art becomes a metaphor for reinvention. In this way, upcycling is more than a craft. It is a philosophy of appreciation, resilience, and reimagining. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood. So stay safe and stay blessed.